Viral wireframe art videos are going absolutely viral across social media right now. And here's the most impressive part about this niche. Nobody watching these videos can tell, even for a single second, that they were created using AI. The realism is just that good. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, open Claude AI. Then, copy the prompt that I've provided in the description and paste it into Claude AI. Once you send it, Claude AI will suggest several video ideas. Simply choose any idea you like and send it back to Claude AI. After that, Claude AI will generate 5 image prompts, 5 video prompts, and a complete voiceover script for your selected idea. Now, copy the first image prompt and open Google Flow AI. Select your preferred aspect ratio, paste the image prompt, and click Send. Within a few moments, Flow AI will generate your first image. Next, copy the second image prompt. Click on your previously generated main subject image, select Add to Prompt, paste the second prompt, and click Generate. Repeat the same process for the third, fourth, and fifth image prompts until all of your images have been generated. Once all the images are ready, go back to Claude AI and copy the first video prompt. In Google Flow AI, click on the first image, choose Add to Prompt, paste the video prompt, switch to the video section, and click Send. Then, copy the second video prompt, select the second image, click Add to Prompt, paste the prompt, and generate the video. Repeat the same process for all the remaining images until every video clip has been created. After that, download all of the generated video clips. Next, return to Claude AI and copy the voiceover script. Open 11 Labs, choose any voice you like, paste the script, and click Generate. After a short wait, 11 Labs will generate the voiceover for you. Download the generated audio. Finally, open any video editing software of your choice. Import all the generated video clips into the timeline, add the voiceover, and arrange the clips to match the narration. Once everything is perfectly synchronized, export your final video. What if flowers never had to fade? I start with copper wire and dried blooms, rose, hydrangea, cosmos, bending each wing by hand, filling it petal by petal. Watch 15 of these rise up the wall like a migration frozen mid-flight. Follow for more handcrafted nature art. Which butterfly would you take home? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content.